This time I've come up with a problem on thermodynamics, thermochemistry basically, which reads that the bond dissociation energies of all diatomic molecules XY, X2 and Y2 respectively are in the ratio of 1:1:0.5, and the heat of formation of molecule XY is given as minus 200 kilojoules per mole. So what we're expected to find is the bond energy of molecule X2. Okay. So to proceed with this question, we shall focus on the fact that the heat of formation of molecule XY is given, that is minus 200 kilojoule per mole, and considering that all are diatomic molecules, this word is important, all are diatomic molecules, we can write the equation for formation of the molecule XY, that is diatomic molecule X2 plus diatomic molecule Y2, which yields to form two molecules of XY by simple stoichiometry and balancing of equations. X2 has been represented as X bond X plus Y bond Y, which is the representative of Y2, right? So to calculate the heat of formation of this molecule XY, right? So we shall using the standard relation, which is a very important concept in thermochemistry to remember, that a heat of formation of a product equal to the total bond energy of reactants minus total bond energy of products. Okay. So since we do not know the bond energy of X2, the bond energy of X2, right? This bond energy of X2 is what we are expected to find. So using a basic algebra, let us consider the bond energy of X2 to be equal to alpha, say. Okay, bond dissociation energy of X2, right? So considering the simple mathematical ratio given in the question, if we consider the bond energy of X2 to be alpha, the bond energy of XY will also be alpha, since they are in a 1:1 ratio, right? But the bond energy of Y2 will be alpha by 2, because this is in a ratio of 1:0.5, or they are in the ratio of 2:1, right? So 1:0.5 same as 2:1. So if this has a bond energy of alpha, this will have a bond energy of alpha by 2. Simple mathematics. So substituting these values of this bond energies in this particular equation, we find that total bond energy of reactants will be total bond energy of X2 plus total bond energy of Y2. Okay, so this will become alpha plus alpha by 2 minus the total bond energy of products. Okay, so if the bond energy of XY is alpha, right, if the bond energy of XY is alpha, so in this case the total bond energy of the products in this particular equation will be equal to 2 alpha, since in the balanced equation there are 2 moles of this XY formed, okay, due to 2 moles XY. So this gives us alpha plus alpha by 2 minus 2 alpha, which is nothing but the heat of formation of this particular XY, which is given as a minus 200 kilojoules per mole. See, now for 1 mole the heat of formation is minus 200, right? So 1 mole heat of formation is minus 200. So for 2 moles obtained in this balance equation, the heat of formation will be, for 2 moles the heat of formation will be minus 400 kilojoule per 2 mole, right? So making this the right hand side of this equation, alpha plus alpha by 2 minus 2 alpha equal to minus 400 kilojoule. Solving this by simple mathematics, we get the value of alpha equal to 800 kilojoule per mole, right? Alpha equal to 800 kilojoule per mole, which will be our answer to this question, which is the bond energy of X2. Bond energy of X2. See friends, such kind of problems are very commonly asked in AIPMT based on thermochemistry. I will be uploading few more videos based on thermochemistry problems, so please prepare thermochemistry very properly for AIPMT and names. Questions will be basic and simple. No need to prepare IIT type of questions, but what is needed is basic practice and your NCERT stuff thoroughly done, and previous years of course. Thank you.